I am about to drag my eyebrows into the 21st century. I'm an eyebrow sloth. I pluck, twice a year I thread. I give myself a huge round of applause for that. But apparently there is a quicker, smarter, easier way. So I'm about to test drive this. It is the Hollywood Browzer. It's dermaplaning for your eyebrows, but also for loads of other purposes across your hairy body. You can, hairy body, that doesn't sound good, does it? You know, you kind of get that kind of peach fuzz that sometimes when you put powder or foundation on, kind of glistens. Well, this, hold on, this removes that. You just work it at a 45-degree angle, use it dry, no faff, no water, no scrubbing, none of that stuff. And you can use it all over. You can use it up here, you know, on that kind of baby hair that grows, especially if you've just had a baby. God, you should see my forehead. It was like my fringe started here when I had a baby. So I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna see if this is as good as the reviews say it is. These start at about £9, but I'm working with a kit that comes with a cleaning mitt, so you can put all of your kind of dead skin and hairy bits on there, and also this magnifying mirror, which is so close. I'm actually quite scared of what I'm going to see. I don't think I've seen this much of myself in years. Let's see how we go on. Fuzz gone. It's good, isn't it? And I've just popped a little bit of CC cream on, and it sits so much better because it's not, I suppose, competing. And they assure me that it's not, you know, my fear was I'm going to do this and then tomorrow I have a beard and look like Captain Birdseye. It doesn't encourage stronger regrowth at all, apparently. And then your makeup just sits that much nicer on your skin, lasts that little bit longer. Happy days. I'm very impressed with that. Dermaplaning. Who knew? At home. Who knew you could do that? I would have been scared to try this for fear of hacking myself. And look, oh, you can see a little bit of fuzz. That's what that mitt's for. I'm going to wipe it on the mitt. I'm very impressed. It's good. I just wish I hadn't been so organised and done all my Christmas shopping because they're great gifts. But £9, stocking fillers.